You see that Apple-style notification that slides in from the bottom? I'm going to show you how to make that, like the whole thing, right inside Premiere Pro in under 2 minutes. The process is basically 2 steps. We design the visual, then we animate it smooth. For that, you're going to need Blinkle.io. It's a free command bar extension for Premiere, and Smoothify is included. If you haven't installed it yet, links in the description. All right, let's go. So first, the notification design. Drop a shape layer, rectangle, white fill. Then apply the roughen edges effect on top of it. In the effect settings, set fractal influence to 0, edge sharpness to 10, and border to 35. That gives you those Apple-style rounded corners, without actually touching the corner radius. For the logo, import your image, place it on the left, centered, like this. Now the text. First layer, the notification header, like the app name or the person's name. Bold, top left, right next to the logo. Second layer, the notification body, the actual message content. Regular weight, bottom left, same alignment. For the font, use SF Pro. That's literally what Apple uses, and that's it. The design is done. Looks exactly like the real thing. Now select all your notification layers. Right-click, Nest. You get one clean clip. That's what we're animating. Select your nested comp. Drop 2 position keyframes. First one push down, second one at the final position. Place your playhead between the 2 keyframes. Now open Blinkle with Control plus right-click or tap the widget on the side. Click on the logo in the middle, and then click on Smoothify. Apply Ease Out, or just copy this curve if you want to tweak it. Last step. Opacity. This is like the finishing touch, honestly. First keyframe, 5 frames into the clip, 0%. Second keyframe, 15 frames later, 100%. And that's it. Apple-style notification, super smooth, done in 2 minutes, thanks to Smoothify. Blinkle is free. Smoothify is included. Link in the description. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.